cruising for going on 25 years now. In that time period, I've made a few cruise mistakes, and today I'm sharing them with you so that you don't make the same mistakes I did. The first mistake I've always made is overscheduling our vacation. For example, when we went on our Baltic Sea cruise, there were so many things we wanted to see and do and experience that I way overscheduled us. We had purchased an excursion going from the cruise port in Germany into Berlin and then back, and we had to catch the train for that excursion at something like 5 in the morning, which was fine because we could prepare the night before, but we didn't get back until almost 1 in the morning the next day, and I had scheduled us another excursion leaving at 6 in the morning. We were exhausted after that trip. Don't forget, when you are booking your excursion, read the fine print. There are things in that fine print that you need to know. For example, one time we were in Panama and the fine print of our excursion had said, bring bug spray. I hadn't read that and we were miserable. We needed bug spray. Thankfully, there was a couple near us who read the fine print and they had bug spray and were willing to share. Make sure you read the fine print and it will tell you exactly what you need to bring for your excursion. I also have learned not to overpack. On that same Baltic Sea cruise, we had missed the embarkation day in Denmark because of a hang up at the airport, and all we had for luggage for 5 days was the carry-ons that we had on the airplane. So I have learned not to overpack and to pack more necessities in my carry-on and pack the fluff stuff in my checked bag. Never make the mistake that we made years ago of arriving at the port the day your ship is supposed to leave. One time we thought, oh, we're just leaving from LA. Not a big deal, it's not that long of a flight. We'll just hop over there, get on the ship and go. Our flight got delayed and we were scrambling. We had to find a new airline. It was just a mess. So no matter how close that port is to your home, I would always plan on arriving at least the day before, unless you live next door to the port. I feel like it's also really important to explore the ship you're on the first day you're on the ship. We've made the mistake of not doing that and just thinking, oh, we're on this cruise, it's just like the other ships. Ships are different, just like people in the same family are different. So use that opportunity on the first day when you're still in port to get to know the ship and kind of get the layout. And specifically, if you're on Carnival, look for those secret decks. Those are the decks that not everybody knows about, and if you can find them, you and whoever you're traveling with can have an area that's mostly to yourselves for the majority of your cruise. Next, don't forget to do some research on if there's any special events happening in your cruise. One time we went on this cruise and they had a special 80s night that would have been so fun to dress up for, but we didn't know about it, so we obviously didn't have anything 80s related packed with us. So research your cruise line and what special events they might have coming up during your cruise. In the comments, let me know what cruise mistakes you've learned from. Thanks for watching.